Discover hidden electromagnetic fields around you with ease using this reliable and user-friendly device. The best EMF meter helps detect radiation from electronics, ensuring safety at home, work, or on the go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. GQ Emf Meter. The GQ Emf Meter stands out as a versatile and highly sensitive electromagnetic field detector, making it a strong contender for those seeking accurate and broad-spectrum radiation monitoring. This meter is equipped with multiple high-sensitivity sensors, enabling it to detect a variety of electromagnetic sources including power lines, smart meters, cell phones, and microwaves. A notable feature is its ability to identify and recognize common EMF sources like power lines, static fields, cell towers, and microwave emissions with impressive accuracy. This makes it ideal for professionals and safety-conscious users looking to understand their surroundings better. The device also offers instant safety suggestions, which is especially useful for users without a technical background. Another major highlight is its capability to detect 5G signals and RF frequencies up to 10 GHz, far exceeding the range of most consumer-grade EMF meters. The built-in RF spectrum analyzer and GQ RF browser provide real-time monitoring, delivering in-depth data for more advanced users who want to analyze electromagnetic patterns in their environment. Whether you're conducting a home inspection, working in a technical environment, or exploring EMF radiation as a hobbyist or ghost hunter, the GQ Emf Meter provides the tools and precision needed for reliable results. Its broad frequency detection range and intelligent analysis capabilities make a solid investment for those who demand both detail and dependability from their EMF meter. Number 2. ERICKHILL 3-in-1 Emf Meter. The ERICKHILL 3-in-1 Emf Meter is an all-in-one solution for anyone serious about understanding and controlling their exposure to electromagnetic radiation. With the ability to detect electric fields, EF, magnetic fields, MF, and radio frequency, RF, radiation, it provides comprehensive coverage across all major types of EMF pollution. What sets this meter apart is its design to isolate and measure each field type individually, eliminating interference and enhancing precision. Users can monitor emissions from household appliances, power tools, mobile devices, and even 5G signals with clear, pinpoint accuracy. Its 3.1-inch HD LCD display makes it easy to interpret data at a glance, while the rechargeable 1,200 mAh battery and USB-C charging offer modern convenience. The meter also includes a tricolor backlight system and sound/light alarms that activate when exposure crosses dangerous thresholds, adding an extra layer of safety. The ability to mute alarms is especially useful for quiet environments or paranormal investigations. Additional features like max and peak hold modes, auto shutoff, and multi-unit support V/M, T, MG, MW/M superscript 2 provide functionality that rivals more expensive professional meters. A carrying case, charging cable, and detailed user manual are included, making it beginner-friendly yet feature-rich enough for experts. Whether you're concerned about EMF exposure at home, at work, or out in the field, the ERICKHILL 3-in-1 Emf Meter delivers reliable, real-time data in a user-friendly package. Number 3. ERICKHILL Emf Meter. While this entry appears to contain content mistakenly related to workout headbands instead of an EMF meter, if we assume it follows the standard quality of ERICKHILL's EMF meters, it's likely designed with accuracy and usability in mind. Generally, ERICKHILL products are known for balancing reliability with accessible features. A typical ERICKHILL Emf Meter would likely include detection modes for electric, magnetic, and radio frequency fields, capable of identifying common sources like Wi-Fi routers, power lines, mobile devices, and household appliances. Features such as a digital display, rechargeable battery, and warning systems for elevated EMF levels would likely be standard. Given ERICKHILL's attention to user needs, one could expect intuitive navigation, portable design, and alarms that can be muted for silent operation, which is helpful for ghost hunting or nighttime inspections. While details about this specific product are unclear, it's reasonable to assume it maintains the brand's emphasis on precision, durability, and comprehensive field coverage. If you're in the market for an EMF meter from a trusted name and find the correct listing for this model, it would likely serve as a valuable tool for detecting and analyzing EMF radiation in various environments. Number 4. KAIWEETS Emf Meter. The KAIWEETS Emf Meter is a professional-grade, all-in-one device tailored for users who want both thorough detection and user-friendly functionality. This meter detects magnetic fields, electric fields, and radio frequencies simultaneously, eliminating the need for multiple passes or mode changes. With a broad detection range, magnetic fields 0.01, 200 MUT/0.1, 2000 mg, electric fields 1, 2000 V/m, and RF 0.001, 200 MW/m superscript 2. It offers excellent coverage for identifying EMF radiation in homes, offices, or industrial areas. Its standout feature is the 3-axis sensor that allows accurate readings regardless of orientation, perfect for sweeping different parts of a room. The easy-to-read display includes a real-time trend graph that helps visualize changes in EMF exposure instantly, while peak readings are automatically saved for analysis. Safety-focused design elements like visual alarms, sound warnings, and auto backlighting help users respond quickly when radiation levels get too high. One-touch hold mode simplifies the process of documenting or comparing results. Though not designed for laboratory use, this EMF meter offers practical precision ideal for everyday scenarios, from inspecting electronics and home appliances to identifying exposure near high-voltage lines. The lightweight, portable form factor ensures convenience on the go, making it a perfect choice for homeowners, parents, or even contractors concerned with radiation safety. It's a dependable meter that balances professional features with intuitive design. Number 5. FNIRSI Emf Meter. The FNIRSI Emf Meter is a compact and multifunctional tool that excels at detecting electromagnetic radiation and monitoring temperature. This 4-in-1 meter covers radio frequency fields, electric fields, magnetic fields, and ambient temperature, making it ideal for comprehensive inspections. With a detection frequency ranging from 50 M to 3 GHz, the FNIRSI Emf Meter is capable of identifying common RF sources like Wi-Fi, 5G signals under 3 GHz, and microwave ovens. High-sensitivity sensors provide accurate real-time readings, displayed in a curved format for easy visual tracking of radiation spikes or trends. The device supports day and night operation through a toggleable black and white display theme, ensuring visibility in any lighting condition. Safety is at the forefront of its design, with 3 types of alerts: visual, audible, and LED flashing, providing clear warnings when EMF levels rise above safe thresholds. The rechargeable and portable design ensures you can take this meter anywhere, whether it's for a home inspection, workplace assessment, or even a ghost hunting expedition. It's lightweight but durable enough to accompany you in various environments. Simple controls and reliable accuracy make this EMF meter great for beginners and experienced users alike. It effectively balances essential detection capabilities with ease of use, all packed into a small and affordable device. Whether you're curious about EMF levels at home or want a versatile safety tool, the FNIRSI Emf Meter delivers on performance and practicality. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.